was great.
That was easy.
Enemy number one.
Have you guys heard that Obama's thinking about attacking Syria?
You mean Syria?
Yeah, I mean, what has Captain Crunch ever done to him? Nothing.
Yeah, nigga.
Name a place on your body that a doctor might look in with a little flashlight. But
What?
You're gonna hear me roar. What does the fox say?
Nothing.
Cooking was a famous pastime. Then they make the jelly bean. Fries the jelly. Then the beans. Basket. Then we try it.
What does the fox say?
yo, this is the funniest shit I've ever seen. What is this nigga doing though?
Stealing shopping carts, part 1.
Babe, you've been gaining a lot of weight recently.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Don't call me.
Babe, it's a fun.
Okay, if you call me and I ignore it, and then randomly a blocked number calls me right after, you're not fooling anyone. Stop.
Nailed it.
This is how dead people get off a bike.
Is he okay?
Yo, that kid owes us money. You owe us some money, nigga.
Listen, little buddy, you gotta expect the unexpected.
You expect that, bitch?
Smack it.
What you gonna do with it then? Do it, nigga. I'm hard, nigga. Yo, what you gonna do with it?
Can you believe it's already been a year since our job?
I was on Vine.
All right, this is just a warning, Mrs. Kahana.
Not know how to flush the toilet after they've had a shit. What do you mean? Well, it was fucking one of yes.
Oh, smack it! Smack it!
Harold, let us first.
Sir, did you know the new iPad comes with the Chinese kid who built it?
I make the noodle and I teach kung fu.
Growing up, what did you want to be? A dealer. A dealer.
Skinny ting tong, 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 skinny ting tong.
If this video gets 100,000 likes, I won't attack Syria. Or, well, maybe. Are you guys sure this is a good idea?
You just don't think so. Wait, there's a demon. There's a demon.
What is up with everyone that I went to high school with getting married and having babies? I'm just like, do you want to get drunk? I have a baby. Does your baby want to get drunk?
Damn telemarketers.
Welcome to the Golden Dragon. Today with a General Tao chicken for $4.99.
Great job, buddy. No. I said no dancing on poles. But, oh wait, hey, mommy.
Under the sea. Under the sea. Down with it, sweater. Down with it.
Unicorns be like.
Are you guys tired of your group of white friends?
Yeah.
Then get yourself a token.
A what?
A black friend.
I'll be right back.
Turn up!
I said blueberries.
Smack him.
Hey, what's that?
You raise me up so I can eat more sunflower seeds.
Smack him.
Target locked.
Smack, wait for a sec.
What's up, man?
Smack him.
Smack him. You record?
What's wrong, Quan?
Oh, nothing. Me and my girl just broke up.
I know just what you need.
Makeup cam.
Man, what the hell? I look cute as fuck.
Today we observe a teenage male appear to be caught in the friend zone.
Research shows there's no escape. I've been spotted.
Smack him.
She's so cute. It's a boy!
Oh,
Apologize!
Sorry.
Apologize!
Sorry.
Fuck, you got broke me jaw.
Oh, shit. I caught it all on camera.
Jump on!
Oh shit, he's fine. The dreadlocks saved him.
Are you fucking stupid, man? It's a skate park and not for this fucking shit. Look at him. He's jumping on the people. No. That's something you don't see every day. Get out of there! Oh, shit.
Down, Courtney. 6 miles. Oh, shit. It looked good for a second.
Fuck. Hold up. Sorry,
It's got into the ceiling. The visor's got into the ceiling.
Got into the ceiling.
Я общается, поверь, технологий, которые он подает.
God damn.
Whoa!
Wow. My head ain't hard enough, man.
God, come on, you're gonna give yourself a concussion.
Oh!
Oh my God!
Oh, man.
Oh my God!
Rebounded his ass off.
Oh man, what the fuck? God! Step on your... Oh my God! Oh! God! Cutman, you're fucking insane.
You take
Oh
my God!
Okay.
You gotta get your bike. You're not worried about mommy, are you?
You just got no.
Do you have a soul?
No.
Why?
Because I'm ginger. Oh.